The ongoing Paris Fashion Week has us hooked. High-end brands Dior, Saint Laurent and Chanel have introduced and reintroduced us to fresh trends in the past few days. And on Monday, it was Valentino's turn to present its Spring-Summer 2024 ready-to-wear collection. Now you may ask, what's so special about that? Well, the OG Indian fashionista Sonam Kapoor was among the A-listers who attended the sought-after show and completely understood the Parisian chic assignment. Sonam chose a cream-colored oversized cardigan and a midi skirt for the occasion, which we would say is one of her classiest looks. Now, the cardigan is no way your regular one. It featured feathers and shimmering pearl embellishments, an off-shoulder neckline and a ribbed design on the neck and cuffs. She tucked the sweater and paired it with a flowy high-rise waistline skirt which made it look very chic. She even matched her accessories and wore cream-colored thigh-high boots, funky sunglasses and statement rings, and carried a cream Valentino Garavani Loco handbag. The only pop-up factor, her lip shade, we like. Sonam also attended the prestigious Business of Fashion 500 Gala in Paris last weekend and the internet was impressed. Here too, she opted for an enchanting number by Valentino. The exquisite white flowy ensemble featured a plunging neckline with intricate orange embellishments, full sleeves that cascaded elegantly to the hem and a floor-sweeping train. To be honest, it's actually her accessories that we love the most about this look. She wore a pair of oversized, long, dazzling earrings with an ombre shade of red and white. We haven't seen anyone rocking an accessory like this for a while, have you? Coming back to Paris Fashion Week, we saw Zendaya and Kendall Jenner packing a punch with their style. Zendaya in particular is being hailed as the queen. Look at that confident walk. Why won't anyone? Did you like Sonam's oversized earrings or Zendaya's queen swagger? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on celeb fashion.